There's a puppy, so small and bright, wagging his tail with pure delight. He runs in circles, round and round. His happy bark is the sweetest sound. His tail goes wag, 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 like a little flag. It's never sag. He wags it fast, he wags it slow, and every time he loves to show. The puppy jumps, he's full of glee. He wags his tail and runs to me with floppy ears and paws so neat. He's the cutest puppy on the street. He wags his tail when I say hello, and when I play, he's all aglow. His tail is dancing up and down, spinning and twirling all around. At the end of the day, he's tired and sweet. He lies down to rest, paws at his feet, but his tail still wags in his dreams so bright. A happy puppy in the soft moonlight.